installing the carbon fiber radial bezel trim joint thing. this joint right here, the one from right here, this one right here, and then I got the, what was this called, like the inner trim parts of it. You'll see. I got them in the 300 warming up. That way they soft because they're a little hard right now. This is before. I'm about to wipe it down with this adhesion promoter. I thought this was alcohol. Yeah, just follow instructions. Yeah, I'm about to wipe it all down. Wipe all this down too. And I ordered everything separate, so I'll put links in the description. And then the only thing I don't have is the one for right here, because for some reason, I ain't been in the Jeep in so long, I thought this was black. So I'm gonna see if they got this little chrome part in carbon as well. And then I got the little cheesy joint right here. But I'm gonna clean this joint up. Get all in there. Show you clean. Alright. It's so dirty. Alright, so it's not on yet, but this is more or less what it's gonna look like. Like I said, it's not on, so it's still loose everywhere. You warming up over there, the other one, because I've seen a lot of videos online where these don't really fit right. Hopefully that one fits right. Let's see how this joint fit. These be the ones with the issues and shit. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad. Alright, let's see how I'm gonna do that with the tape though. I ain't got no nails, so don't judge.
Don't mind he's black and white neither. He's black.
What?
Hey, yo. Yeah, we gotta put that jump right. I've seen so many videos of them Jones, and they don't never sit right. That one actually sits kind of like flush on there.
They probably don't even melt them right.
Nah, they probably don't. Yeah, because when I first tried it, when I first got it, you know, it's mad cold out. When I first tried it, it didn't even want to bend to the shape.
Back to the process.
can see a little bit of the gray right there, but that ain't shit. You can also see it on the sides. Oh, we lucky this shit even fit. It looks alright. I've seen worse. Nice. Now, try to do the radio. This is what the radio gonna look like with it. All one shot. Right.
I'm happy.
Now it is. Yeah, you gotta make sure to warm these Jones up, man, because if not, that Jones won't stick right. And the shape won't really be fitting on there either. And later on, hopefully I'll find one of these Jones that they sell like completely carbon. I'll get rid of this whole overlay shit. But for now, it'll do. I ain't got $700 to be buying no damn carbon fiber fucking piece. I spent like what, like maybe $100 on all of this stuff. The radio Jones like 40, then this one came like as a kit, like 30 with this one. I paid like 15 for these and like 18, 20 for this one. And then these, I bought these a long time ago. These were I think $9. The joy of having fingernails. I'd have been there all day. I ain't got no fingernails. Them Jones is nubby boys. That should say -2. That Jones wrong like shit. It's cold out, but it ain't -2. Alright guys, it's the next day. My phone died yesterday. If you watch any of my other videos, you know my phone always dying. And yeah, so we installed everything yesterday. It took a lot of heating and trimming for the shifters, like cup holder ones, but we got it to work and I think it looked good. So this is what it looks like, all said and done. The radio by far was the best fitting one. This one is cool too. These I added a little while ago. And then, so we ended up putting because these were separate. You see how you could tell like it's a whole separate piece for this one. So we ended up putting that one and the cup holder one first. But then when we went to line this one up, it took some shaving to make everything fit. Don't mind my pants, these is my work pants. And so if you could tell right there, right around the edges, this piece right here didn't fit perfect around there. It was like overlapping it. So we took a razor blade and was just shaving it on the side, and then it ended up fitting. The only piece I need left is the one for right here to cover this chrome up. Unless if I find one from like a Trackhawk that has this black, or I'll probably wrap it, I don't know. We'll see, but that's the last piece that's missing. And this is how it looks. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. Should I bring the Jeep back out? She's kind of put away for right now. I know I'm probably gonna be making another video. I still want to get the carbon for the vents, the door handles, maybe these right here for the switches, and yeah. So like, comment, subscribe, join the channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot more Jeep videos and Chrysler 300 videos. The Chrysler should be getting a swap soon, so if you like what you see, you know what to do. Peace.